minimize hydraulic failures and to simplify ground operators' daily work, we have decided to remove the hydraulic components from passenger stairs. By eliminating the hydraulic system, we have created a brand new system, which is more energy efficient as well as simple and easy to maintain. A unique lifting system that allows an even lower optimized battery power use during the operation. Easy battery replacement allows for an almost unobstructed operation of passenger stairs. The product service life has been extended by optimizing the lubricating surfaces and sliding elements. Solar panels allow for a longer battery life without recharging.